Joe Cocker. Before we start, just sorry for the guys who, if you're, I mean, no offense to you guys. I love you guys to the media. Just sometimes I've turned down some interviews in the last 2 days out of normal just because of my voice. So please bear with me. I hope I get it back. But no offense, man. So, anyways, sorry. Questions?
What's with 20-point lead you keep overhauling? You need to go down by 20 before waking up, coach?
I have no idea. I really have no idea. I don't know what to tell you. Other than, at some point in the third quarter, ang sinabi ko kay Coach Louie, San Miguel was, I don't know guys, what was their biggest lead? They were up by a lot.
21.
They were up by 21. I just turned to him and said, they're just really beating us. You know, they're just really beating us. We got to change some things up. But we tried a few different things in the first 3 quarters to match up with them. But they were really beating us. They really were. They were playing great. They had a good game plan. They looked sharp. And then at the start of the fourth, what was the score at the end of the fourth? Sorry, guys, I don't have the stat sheet. We're down 14? 19? We're down 19. 18? 18, okay. So, a lot. Basta a lot. We just felt like, okay, I told the guys in the huddle, we have to, kailangan ibuhos na natin lahat ng mga energy natin dito sa first 6 minutes. If we can just cut it down, I need our defensive energy, I need our intensity. It doesn't mean we need bad shots, we just need our energy. And I think I was aiming, I think I said 10 or 12 points with 6 minutes left, and I think they did much better than that. So I was, you guys saw the way that the game was played. I'm completely not a genius. The guys did everything. I didn't have anything. I mean, they just played hard. I wasn't calling magical plays. They were just getting stops. They're defensively fantastic. And we got some baskets in transition, but alam ko, sawa na kayong lahat dito, pero lahat nag-uumpisa talaga sa depensa namin. Walang iba. I thought our defensive intensity in that fourth quarter was overwhelming, really. I mean, it was just incredible. And gosh, we only forced 16 turnovers. Wow. Usually we do better than that. I thought we would have forced more, but anyways, the defensive intensity was, wait, was that 6 points? They scored 6 points?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Coach, do you think the team needs a challenge of a big lead to get to the final?
You can ask Sonny. We play hard in practice every day. I mean, really, we do. I really don't know what it is, guys. I'm not. I don't know the answer, Tito. I think our guys play hard. I mean, really, I'm sorry that you can't watch our practices because they're closed doors, but if you can see, the guys go really hard, and I think they just draw from that, and they never give up. Sa amin, isang sinasabi namin sa locker room is, sa lahat ng mga players namin, siguro higit pa ng 100 ng mga All-Filipino Conference, isa lang may singsing, si Eric Meng. So, siguro motivation na yun sa kanila na you think about how hard it is to win an All-Filipino, you gotta put it all out there. And this doesn't, it's 2-1. I mean, it doesn't mean anything other than it's 2-1. We're not winning it, but just, it is not easy to win, and these guys put their heart on the floor.
Come back the 20-point lead.
Just guys not giving up. Everybody coming in with a defensive mindset. It's a 48-minute game, and it's not over until the last buzzer goes off, and the guys just left it all on the line. Okay tayo?
Thank you, guys.
I would like to let you know that this loss of San Miguel is my full responsibility, and this is my fault. I was not able to control the game, but you know, we're leading by 20 points in the fourth quarter. Just like what happened in our first game, we're leading by as much as 20 points and we lost. And this is my responsibility, and I'll be the one in charge of that. But we lost because of a lot of turnover in the fourth quarter, and because of the good defense of Alaska, and it's beyond my control of what happened in the fourth. Because I thought all the while we prepare hard, we know the situation, but I'm not the one playing inside the court. So all I can do is just remind them of what to do, especially the press break on the inbound play. I know what to do, and I keep on telling them, but still we committed a turnover. And maybe that is the factor, because in the end game, so you cannot expect a call from the referee, even if there's a foul. So you cannot expect that, because this is a championship game, and we committed a lot of costly. I guess it's beyond my control.
Coach, are you trying to say that players are going against your instructions?
No, they're the one controlling the game. So all I can do is let them run my plays, but
They're not running it, Coach?
no, they're running it, but most of the time the entry pass, that's the time we got turnover on the entry pass. And as I said, that's beyond my control anymore. We're trying to get Junmar the ball at the shaded area, but it didn't get there. And reminding them of what to do, because this is a long season, and we've been playing for this. I think this is 4 times, so we know what they're doing, and we know what we are doing, and we know what kind of plays we're going to run. But inside the court, I cannot control them anymore.
Under the circumstances, Coach, do you see things being different in the rest of the series?
Well, there's nothing different except the turnover in the fourth quarter, and I think that's the main factor. Even if they score, if we could score also, so we're leading by 20 points. But if they score, we committed a lot of turnover, so it's easy to makabalik sa game, because especially Alaska, they have a lot of talented players. They know the game, they understand the game, and there are veterans there. They know what the situation is, and they smell blood. And nagkaroon ng opportunity, the momentum shifted on them, and on our part, we panic, especially the players, because we committed a lot of turnover. And even though this is the lowest turnover we got in the 3 games at 17, and most turnover of Alaska, but it did not materialize for us. And I have to congratulate Alaska for the job well done. Okay, and in our loss, this is my responsibility.
Thank you, Coach.
But you're not yet conceding the series, Coach.
This is a long series, and we're capable of winning at 3 or 4 consecutive. And we displayed it this against the team that we beat in the semifinals. And this team has the potential. For the back, we're able to get the lead of 20 points, 21 in this game, and 19 or 20 in the first game. So the potential is there. It's up to us. But I can't do so much. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.